In this video, I am going to show you how to edit ChatGPT images in Canva. So first of all, you'll need to go and open your ChatGPT and Canva and make sure that you're logged into both. Now, inside ChatGPT, you will need to find images that you created by opening the images on this left panel. Go there, click on images, and you'll find here at the bottom all the images that you have. So click on the images example to open it, say this one, and ChatGPT give you some options. At the top right, as you can see, you'll find here comment, aspect ratio, remove, share, download, and view the original chat if you want to. So all you need to do basically is just save the image and click on that option, or you can, as example, click on share and you'll find here download. You can share as an example Reddit, LinkedIn, X, or copy link if you want to. It's up to you. Now what you'll have to do once you save it, just make sure to remember where you save the file because we'll need to upload it to Canva next. Go to Canva, click on create as an example, and of course you can either create a new design with the size that you'll need or open one of the existing designs that you have. Let's say as an example you're creating, I don't know, a YouTube thumbnail or something like that. So let's just go and create a design for that, and here we'll have to upload as an example that image. Go to upload, click on upload files, and here's the image that we get. So you can just go and get it here, and you'll be able to make, once you upload your ChatGPT image, edit the image however you want. Adjust brightness, crop image, add filters, remove backgrounds, many things that can be added or can be done here. So do whatever you want, add your own text and elements. And of course, keep in mind that Canva also has an AI tool called Magic Edit that you can look for, as example, in the apps. So you can look for Magic Edits. And keep in mind that some apps will require you to have a better plan, so the free plan may not be enough for you. So of course you can make all the edits that you want. For example, you can even ask Canva to do something, like change the style, do something, suggest some improvements if you don't know what you're doing. So do whatever you want, add your own text and elements, edit it however you want, and then once you've done, you can click again on share, and from here click on download, choose however you want to download it, and everything else, click on download, and the image should be downloaded into your PC as well. And just a quick tip as example, you don't always need Canva for small AI edits. ChatGPT itself can edit generated images, so you can just open an image on site ChatGPT and select the area that you want to change, describe the change that you want to make, and you'll be able to do. Canva, of course, makes more sense when you want extra control over things like text, layouts, logos, shapes, and other final design. So that's how you edit basically, or that's how you make some changes on ChatGPT images inside Canva. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and goodbye.